Well, nowadays I guess every smartphone user uses Instagram for sure, and you all always wonder that is it possible for us to get the blue verification badge or the blue tick on your Instagram account? Well, the reality is that getting a blue tick on your account is actually possible, but you'll have to work a little hard for that, and in today's video we are gonna talk about that. With that being said, what's up guys, we're gonna share, and if you guys like the type of content we are producing these days, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, let's go for it. Many of you always think that the blue ticks are given to only those accounts which have more than million followers. But the reality is that even an account with 1000 followers can get verification badge. Here you can see that this account, Janely16, it has only 5000 followers and she has blue tick on her account. She got the blue tick when she was having around 1400 followers on Instagram, and I personally asked her that how she got the blue tick on Instagram. She gets around 250 likes on one post, just like a normal Instagram. Also, there is an account named Shopify Stockroom on Instagram having around 3.5k followers and even less than our Instagram page. They also got the blue tick. And you will be surprised after listening this that this account got the blue tick when they were having only 450 followers. There are many accounts in the world which have less than 5000 followers and have the blue ticks on their account. So now, this is clear that million of followers are not mandatory for getting the blue tick. So now, what I got to know is that Instagram gives the blue tick to those accounts which are popular in that they have a good reach of posts, average likes, average story views, number of profile visits, etc. So the first thing you have to do is to download this app, Tech Paradise InstaStats, from the link given below in the description. By using this application, you can check your Instagram profile statistics. After installing the application, do log in with your Instagram account. We publish this app by partnering with GapStats. It's 100% safe to log in. After that, go to menu and go to user statistics, and here you can see all the stats. Total likes, total comments, average likes and average comment per post. And for becoming eligible for the blue tick, all of your stats must be green in color, like you are seeing here in total comments. We can also check our Instagram account performance, day-wise activity and all the statistics. One more important thing, what I got to know is that you have to make your Instagram account a business account, so it is a mandatory step. If you want a blue verified badge on your account, you have to make your account a business account. Making your Instagram account a business account is a very easy and 100% free process. Just go to Instagram settings and enable business account. So for making yourself eligible, just work on your Instagram post content, and total number of profile visits is a very major thing. And the main thing which will give you the blue tick is your popularity, reach to your audience, engagement level, etc. And we can't apply for the blue tick, neither we can purchase it. So make your account a business account, share at maximum level, work on your content and ask your followers to share your post. And monthly growth is a very important factor. And if you are lucky enough, whenever Instagram algorithm will find your account growing, luckily you will get a mail regarding this and you will get a blue tick on your account. Even I am working very hard for getting the blue tick. I am trying to make all the buttons green in color. Just download the application and check your stats whether you are eligible or not. A brand, a community or an organization can get the blue tick more easily than a public figure account with low followers and low reach. Even if you check the Instagram official website, you will see there that only some public figures, popular individuals and brands have verified badges right now. It is not currently possible to send a request or for a verified badge or to buy it. So just work hard and try your luck whether you are lucky enough that you can get the blue tick on your account or not. Even I am working very hard. And I think that maybe Instagram will change the algorithm of Instagram blue tick in the future by enabling manual submission of requests for Instagram blue tick. So this is all you need to know about Instagram blue tick. And guys, do follow me on Instagram at Tech Paradise. The link of my Instagram is given below in the description and help me getting a blue tick on my Instagram account before 2019. So guys, if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.
I feel drop them.